Hi, I'm Vincent Huang, Senior Product Manager for Delta Electronics. I'm here today to talk about our AS AS series PLC are the compact mid-range PLC series launched by Delta. AS stands for Advanced Solutions, System Simple Simplicity, Smart. AS series PLC are to provide a system solution with a compact size, easy to use interface, and smart features for OEM machine industry. AS300, they use the same core CPU. Delta self-developed CPU is adopt 32-bit SoC system-on-chip CPU with a significantly enhanced the execution efficiency, 40K step per millisecond, provide high-speed calculation of instructions, increasing the efficiency of the equipment, and decreasing the scan time. ASPLC all-in-one design. So as CPU have a built-in a lot of function. The built-in I/O, Ethernet port, and also have a RS-45 series port and the micro SD card for backup and recover function. For mini USB for programming, we have a DI Studio software you can download from website without the license requirement. And the AS300 have a function card for option, so you can put the two slot. Just choose which one function you need it. AS PLC maxima go to the 1024 I/O points. So we also have a flexibility to expand and customize your based on system to suit your demand. So we have a digital I/O, temperatures, analog I/O, and communication modules for your application. Compact module design, the features, robust, ruggedness, and the patterns, the slide lock, direct plug-in plug-out installations. So they're easy to installation without remove the other modules. And there's a vibration and shock in IEC, the IEC requirement. Not break plan design system, so time and cost saving. So AS200 EU terminal, robust and losing proof spring current terminal block. So it's easy to wire. The EU terminal design is built-in in the CPU. So for the network, they support the CAN-open Ethernet IP Modbus without the external module. So we have a quickly network mapping, easy, fast, less step. Not need to write a program for the communications, and only the data exchange table setting requirement. For the Ethernet IP solution, you have an integrate with the ASPLC and the VFD, and we provide a function block easy to use. So they're setting the backup the VFD parameter from the EIP network. So you can back up the data parameter into the micro SD card. There's a very easy and user-friendly configuration. SD card function feature, so end user can input the program into the SD card and the local to the end user side to upgrade it. Better security protection design. So we have IC duplication, prohibit functions. So Delta protect all you know how. For the AS300s and connect to the 11 C2000 function block with a number, ID number, and the speed, and the run and start and the reset on the input side, and the output side with drive status, motor speed, error code, and the output current. Using AS300s can open mask. Start. The potential market is suitable for your most OEM machine application for the AGV or packaging or the pump application and for all the